y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Shantae G, and your girl is back again with another video. Yeah, y'all, I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a chit chat mukbang type thing. Yeah, I cooked corn, rice, and chicken. Yeah. The rice is that color because of the seasoning. So don't even think I done burnt the rice, because I did not. It's just the seasoning. But yeah, we about to get into it because your girl is hungry. And I got to go to work today. I usually don't work, but I took on an extra shift or whatever because, you know, the holidays or whatever. And yeah, so it's so good. Y'all don't understand. Honestly and truly, if I'm being 100% honest, I have not cooked since Thanksgiving Day. All right. I've been eating like microwavable stuff or eating out. I don't know how people do mukbangs, because I'm hungry. Yeah, I've been filming videos in different parts of my apartment. And I know y'all, I said I was going to do an apartment tour, but I don't think it's going to happen, honestly. Because I'm still, like, not satisfied with my apartment. And it's still stuff that I need to purchase for my apartment. But I'm honestly trying to be smart with my money. Like, I'm not trying to, like, spend all my money on decorations. On top of that, it's an apartment. So my lease is up. I think my lease is up like the first week of July or something like that. So I gotta be out by June, honestly and truly. So that's what, January, February, March, April, May, June. That's 6 more months I'm gonna be here. So, and I'm pretty sure when I get my new apartment, I'm gonna wanna like switch stuff up. So I don't know. I know as far as organizing stuff, I am gonna like buy organization stuff so I can organize my stuff while I'm here. So when I do go to my next apartment, I could already be prepared. But y'all, I really don't want to go to work, but I took somebody else's shift. So how it works at my job is like you could offer somebody else your shift, and so somebody offered me their shift, I accepted it, and then for it to be final, the I think the program manager or whatever. I don't know his position, honestly. I just call him by his name. That's just him. But I think his title is the program manager. He has to approve he has the final say. And he approved it, so it's kind of like, damn. You really gotta come in now. You can't even call out. And that's the thing. My job, they got this new rule where you can't call out more than 4 times. So that's the whole reason why the person offered me their shift, because they couldn't call out no more. They had reached their limit. Man, there's extra money in my pocket. Yeah, and I did my hair. Every time I do my hair in box braids, People always ask me how much I charge. I'm like, yeah, I don't do hair. Like, I don't. I went to Burlington, and the older lady was like, but you could do my hair. I was like, no, I don't do hair, ma'am. I can't do your hair. Mm-mm. That'd be a good side hustle for me, too, because they be charging for these box braids. Mm-hmm. Like, hair is not, like, I could do my own hair, but trying to do somebody else's hair, mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'd rather not. Um, I just want to go on a shopping spree, like, I just want to go on a shopping spree. Like, I did a Burlington, Ross haul. Y'all most likely should be have seen that already. They have some nice stuff in there. And I would have got more, but I was trying to have self-control, like, not going there and spend all my money. But I do want to go back or go to some different ones and see what else they have. So I might do that. I'm trying to switch up my style a little bit. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm always matching. Like, my outfit is always, like, put together, but I'm trying to, like, be more, I don't know how to describe it, but like, I don't know how to describe it, but like, I'm always put together, but I'm trying to be more put together, if that makes sense. Mm-hmm. And I really be into, like, sneakers lately. Plus, it's getting cooler outside, so I'm not trying to have no cracked up heels or no cracked up foot or nothing, so I'll be putting shoes on now. I kind of wanted some Uggs, but I live in Florida. Like, what am I gonna do with some Uggs? Mm. And if anything, my feet is not what be cold. Like, shit, it be my arms and my legs that be freezing my damn face. I don't know. I might get some. That'd be perfect if I go out of town, visit my family. Yeah, I actually miss my family. Like, that's crazy. Like, we have not seen each other since I don't know when. It's 2020 right now? Mm. Dang, I probably ain't seen them since 2019. I don't think we went up there for Christmas 2019. We didn't go for Thanksgiving either for 2019. 2019, did we go up there for Christmas? I don't think we did, no. We didn't do it for we didn't do it for Thanksgiving either. Because my birthday was right there and we had went to Disney World. I know my cousin's funeral, we was up there. I think that was in June though, or maybe July. No, we had went up there for we had went up there for did we go for the 4th of July? We might have did. I don't know. I don't remember, but I know I ain't seen my family in a long time. Like, It's been a long time. Alright. A long time, like for real, for real. Cause like we usually do stuff throughout the year or whatever. Like holidays and stuff. Little cookouts or whatever. I know my mom wanted to do a Christmas party this year, but Corona said, what party? Like, dang. A whole entire year gone to waste. That's crazy. So much has happened. I graduated this year. One of my other best friends, my best friend from high school, she graduating this semester. It's crazy. I graduated, got a job, moved. Like, as crazy as it was, like, I still accomplished stuff, so I'm thankful for that. Thankful and grateful. Amen, amen. I need to do ASMR on this video because I literally could hear myself chewing, smacking. I could hear myself gulping my juice. And that's orange juice, y'all. I know, weird combination, but I've been sniffing a little bit. And it's because I'm telling you, it be like 70, 60 degrees during the daytime. But at nighttime, it be like 40, 30 degrees, honestly and truly. And if y'all didn't know, I work first shift sometimes, but majority of the time I work second shift. Second shift is from 3 to 11. So it's that nighttime when it starts getting cold. And it gets colder at nighttime, like around like 5, 6 o'clock, it started getting cold. Like the other day I had to go to my car and put on another jacket on top of the jacket that I already had on. So imagine if it's that cold at 5, 6 o'clock. Imagine how cold it is at 11 o'clock at night. And that don't even get to say that you're leaving on time. Like, you probably don't get to leave work until like 12 in the morning. So imagine how cold it is. But I finally got my orange juice back. I've been drinking like a cup of orange juice every morning. I also got some lemon ginger tea that I've been drinking on. I usually get sick around like Thanksgiving time or Christmas time or whatever, but we ain't got time for that this year because Corona. You do like this, people think you got Corona or something, like, or you try to cough or something. Like, I don't got time. Oh, you better dope up on some medicine. I don't know how people do mukbangs. Like, I don't have nothing to talk about. I'm just sitting over here just yapping, talking about everything under the sun. But I'm about to hurry up and finish my food so I can get ready for work. Boom, boom. And that's just that on that. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe so you can join Tae Gang because it's Tae Gang or no gang. Y'all, yeah. If y'all want to cash out me something for Christmas, y'all could go ahead. Like, cash out will be right here. Hello, nah. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Deuces.